What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, y'all, so today's video, I know you've seen the description, so you know why we're here. And your girl got her first Telfar bag. So I've been wanting a Telfar bag, but around the time I was deciding to buy one, they dropped a collab with UGG, and I love UGG, and I was like, oh, I want this bag because this is gonna be like cute for the winter. So I ordered it last year around holiday season sometime, I don't remember, and it said it wouldn't be here until like Juneteenth, but it arrived earlier than expected because we're in April, and it just arrived like yesterday, and I went and got it today. So I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera with y'all. I think my lashes is a little too much right now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, anyways, but yes, so I'm gonna be opening this baby with y'all on camera. Okay, so oh shoot, I should have got some scissors because it's tape on here. Okay, let me get my scissors. Okay, I'm back. I know this is ghetto, so hold on. Okay, so I'm about to open it. Okay, I'm gonna open this box up. All right. Ooh, okay, so it's pretty easy to open up. Ooh, the big reveal. Ooh, okay, so it came in here. They have this little, I guess this is on top of it. And voila. Ooh. So you can see, girl, it says UGG times Telfar. It's so cute already. Oh my god, I can tell it's gonna be so cute already. Let me see. Let me. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm messing up my filming. Ooh, okay, I'm sorry. When y'all watch this and my lashes is looking crazy, I apologize. This was a rush job. Okay, but don't judge me. Judge your mama. Okay. Okay. I haven't got that far yet, and I'm just excited because this is my first Telfar, and it's the UGG collaboration. It's gonna be so cute in the winter, so this is gonna basically go in storage until the winter time because it's getting hot here in Atlanta. It's like 80 degrees. What do I look like walking around with this? Anyways, all right, let me finish pulling it out. Ooh, I don't want to rip this paper. I ripped it. Dang. Oh, because it's tape. Okay. It's gonna be ripped. It's no saving it. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. This is so pretty, y'all. Look on the back, it says Telfar. Look at it. So freaking pretty. Oh my god. So it has a strap. I don't really want to undo the strap because I'm not wearing this no time soon. But let's look inside. Ooh, so it's a button. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take the paper off the strap because I can't get into the bag because they have it connected. Why would they do that? Okay, so y'all will see it. So it's like this. It's a long strap, so you can wear it like a cross. Oh my god, did you get makeup? Okay, no. You can wear it like a crossbody. It's gonna be so freaking cute. Oh, hey. Oh, when I'm in public with this, I'm gonna be walking like, excuse me, Telfar coming through. Yeah. Okay, I played too much. Okay, but that's the long strap. So you can do like a crossbody style, or you can just do a handbag, and you can put the straps on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna pull out the papers. So they did give me a dust bag. I got a Telfar dust bag, really cute. I'm probably gonna go ahead and put it in here because, like I said, I'm not wearing it anytime soon. But I know it's in the dungeon when it's time for winter. All right, so the inside is very spacious, y'all. Super spacious on the inside. You got a little pocket right here. You can fit a lot in here. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Let's see, what's this? I think this is just like a avoid contact with oils and alcohols. Do not expose to direct sources of heat. Store in a cool, dry place. Okay, it's just a little card telling us how to care for our bag. So that was in the little pocket. So as you can see, like I said, there's a pocket in here. And that's pretty much it. That's the bag, y'all. This is so cute though. And if you don't want to, you know, wear the crossbody, you can tuck those straps in like that and wear it just like this. Just like this. Let me see if I can get a okay, I was trying to get some thumbnails. But yes, super freaking cute. I love it. It's so soft. It's very structured. The bottom feels really good. I can put a lot of stuff in this bag, y'all. I'm gonna have to be very careful because as you can see, it has the is this the sheep stuff that's inside? I think this is the stuff that's inside of the Uggs. Like when you buy Uggs and it has this material on this side, the fuzzy stuff, I think that's what this is. So I'm gonna have to be very careful. I'm going to have to make sure I don't have makeup and stuff on my hands to make sure these straps stay clean and this part stay clean. Oh my god, but it's a look. This is definitely a bag. Telfar, y'all did y'all thing with UGG. I love it. This is my first Telfar bag. I definitely want to get one of their just, you know, solid color bags, but I had to get this collab because I was like, you know, I'm gonna have to buy a new pair of Uggs. But once I get my new pair of Uggs, girl, this in a fit, I gotta come up with a fit. So I don't know. I have so many plans for this bag. I can't wait to pull it out and wear it. It's gonna be so freaking beautiful once I, you know, get to wear it out with a cute outfit. This is gonna be dope. I love it. But yes, guys, this bag, Telfar times UGG, it's no longer available for sale. So, you know, I don't know if you can find it somewhere like on, I don't know, maybe you can just look it up, Telfar times UGG, and see if they have more coming out or if someone is reselling it, which they're probably selling it for an arm and a leg because I've been seeing the resale prices on the bags lately and y'all know y'all wrong. But yes, as of now, they are not available anymore. You had to pre-order it and we waited a long time to get it. So it was worth the wait. It's a beautiful bag. You're gonna be able to fit a lot of things in this bag. And it's structured really well. Like, I love it. It's definitely a piece. It's a piece for your closet. So check them out though. Telfar, their bags, I think you pretty much have to pre-order all of their bags, but once I guess it will tell you how long it'll take it to come. But it's a very cute bag. It's a black designer, so you know, supporting our people and whatnot. You know, I was a little skeptical to say, I'm like, dang, I'm not gonna get the bag till next year. But I'm like, but when next year comes and winter hit, it'll be in the closet to pull out. And I said, okay, I'm gonna go buy it. I'm gonna buy that thing. So I bought it. This was like a holiday gift to myself. And yeah, so I just wanted to get on here and show you guys, unbox it with you so we can have the, you know, the realest reaction possible. Even though I knew what it looked like online when I bought it, but I didn't know how it was going to feel when I got it. I didn't know if it was going to not have structure. You know, they could have just sold me a bag and it just could have came and been flimsy as heck. But no, this is a very good bag, y'all. Go ahead, check Telfar out. I believe, you know, they may or may not have some bags on sale. They're probably gonna come out with another collab or restock this. But for now, I know it's just not for sale right now. So I'm not selling mine, but you can look and see if somebody's selling theirs. But yay! All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the Telfar bags. If you have a Telfar bag, drop a comment below. Let us know how you like your Telfar bag. Let us know, you know, bring them in, bring the comments in. And like I said, thanks for tuning in to my unboxing Stay tuned for more videos to come your way. And toodles.
Look in my eyes, don't let it fall.